Welcome to Wellen Park High School, the newest high school in Sarasota County, built for students who want it all. Grab a drink at the coffee shop, hit the sand volleyball courts, or cheer from the VIP lounge. This campus is built for connection, fun, and student life. Academics are just as next level. Earn college credit with Cambridge ACE, or dive into SOAR STEM projects where you build, code, and experiment with real-world technology. Love science and the outdoors? Our agriculture and marine programs let you work directly with animals, plants, and ocean life. Into the arts? Whether it's music, theater, or visual arts, your creativity has the space to shine. And when it's time to compete, our premier fields and courts give athletes a chance to play hard, show skill, and celebrate school pride. Apply today and start your future at Wellen Park High School, where you can do more, learn more, and be more.